The creative class is emerging as a key ingredient for addressing new economic, social, technological, vocational, and environmental challenges. DAVA's mission is to strengthen the community through the visual arts with youth as the primary focus. Operating as a nonprofit organization, DAVA is committed to excellence in programming, long-term programming, and social justice. DAVA provides 5 unique programs: Family Arts, the Oasis Open Studio, and Job Training in the Arts, which includes advanced studio and technology art sessions for middle school youth. Students in the Job Training program are required to treat this opportunity as a real job, showing up on time each day, working collaboratively, completing projects on time, and presenting their work at DAVA Gallery openings. It is in Job Training where we track the progress of our students, using evaluations which show that 86% of youth in our middle school job training programs learn in new ways. 89% feel prepared to work at a job, and 86% feel better about their future. The Portable Art School and the DAVA Gallery complete our programs by reaching out into the community. Today, our national award-winning programs are just the start and provide documented success of student achievement in an urban neighborhood where the crime rate is high and only 1 in 4 students earns a high school diploma. For 21 years, DAVA has provided programs where students gain real-life skills, build character, and embrace higher education as part of their future. DAVA kids have significantly higher grade point averages, becoming first-generation high school graduates and college students. They move ahead to careers in business and the arts, as well as health sciences and technology. DAVA participants are tomorrow's leaders. Now more than ever, youth development programs are a valuable community asset, and supporting and increasing their impact is of great importance. Please join us in continuing to guide our youth to success through the arts.